Ũndũ ũmwe na ũtongoria wa ũteti gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ makĩenda mũmbunge wao Irene Njoki kũigĩrĩrĩka na njĩra ya kũingĩrĩra ciĩgiĩ ũgitĩri, makiuga thengia wa njũragano ĩno makoretwo makĩhahithio nĩ ekinaĩ o mũthenya gwatuka.
Twĩna atongoria no matikĩrutaga wĩra, matawa tũtikĩrĩ, thigari itikoragwo kuo.
Andũ gũtirĩ na security kosa gwakinya mũno thaa igĩrĩ, andũ nĩ marathecwo nginya na tũhiũ na gũtunywo nginya thimũ na gũborwo.
Hao maaskari wetu wenye wanakuwa pale police station, kwanza hiyo mkubwa wao wote ni warevi. Hata saa hii najua ukichunguza labda wako kwa klabu wanakunywa.
Thigari ici cia gũkũ citingĩhota gũtũrangĩra wega, nĩkĩo ndĩramwĩra nginya vijana tũtirĩ taekwondo tondũ nĩtũgũkorwo twĩna self defense.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma Ndũndũri gĩcigo-inĩ mbunge kĩa Bahati kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert Wamaina.
Negatho Robert Wamaina. Na ng'aragu ĩrĩa thiĩte na mbere na gwakĩrĩria kaunti-inĩ ya Turkana ĩigĩte ciana cia ũkũrũ wa thĩ wa mĩaka 5 hatĩka-inĩ kumana na wagi wa irio na gĩa kũnyua. Wagi wa maĩ rĩu ũcũngĩrĩirie arĩithi gũthamĩria bũrũri tũriga-inĩ wa Uganda nĩguo gwethera mahiũ gĩa kũrĩa. Kũringana na minista gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika irathĩro nĩwe Beatrice Askul, ciringi milioni 200 nĩ ihũthĩkĩte kwenjera aikari ithima cia maĩ nĩguo kũnyihia ng'endo ndaihu, ĩndĩ onacio itiraigana.
Iko ni cheda mingi. Hawezi kukunya maji hata hiyo kitu kidogo teni hata hiyo mtu ajuu hawezi kukunya maji
kwa sababu maji alikuwa hakuna hapa. Sisi kapata nini shida hata watoto.
The Domo 23 Hassel counties are badly off right now. Once you can't even say which stage is alert because so long as pasture is not there, water is not there, people are moving, livestock are moving, they are losing weight, they are macheting. How do you even rate which stage at that level? All we need to do very fast is just to make sure we converge, brainstorm over it, put resources that are available, mobilize them.
Thutha wa nyumba ya gorofa 13 kumomoka mwena wa South Sea, mihango yohonokania no irathie na mbere na riu tuthie ku na njira ya imwe kwa imwe nigetha tuthikiririe haria maundu macio makinyete.
As from the previous experience, the capacity of the machinery we are having, we have enough because we are having more than 3. And we have lorries on the ground from the city council. They are carrying the debris. So it will depend with whatever quantity of the debris that is blocking the road.
How many agencies are leading?
We have right now we have 9 agencies. Yes, on the ground. We have the National Police Service on the ground. We have the NDMU, Red Cross. We have the Nairobi City Council, Fire. We have the battalion defense quick response. We have the Red Cross, we have the St. John Ambulance, we have the City Council, and we also have volunteer agencies that are also on the ground that are helping us.
There's a growing feeling that perhaps this process is taking too long, and perhaps if somebody is safe in there, if it takes longer, perhaps we will lose lives.
We are doing our best. We are doing our best because, as you see, the machineries are very active on the ground, doing whatever.
What's the extent of damage on the adjacent building?
The adjacent building, we haven't known the extent of damage because we can see from the first floor, the pillars are knocked. But on the ground and maybe on the ground floor, we don't know because the debris are covering the place. So we are yet to remove them and see the kind of damage that is caused on the adjacent building. Otherwise, it is still... You are yet to establish that because we have engineers on the ground. Once we remove, then they will establish.
At this stage, has the National Construction Authority tried to verify the ownership of the building?
Yes, they are on the ground. They are doing that. And with the in due course, we shall have to reveal where they are.
There are concerns that perhaps buildings around this area are not safe, are not safely built. Is there action which is being taken even in the interim?
After verification of these other buildings, then you can see how these other buildings can also be verified.
Excuse me, sir. Was the building approved by NCA? And NEMA?
I think so.
Yes.
I think so.
Can be built without
Yeah, I think so.
Preliminary assessment of the damage.
Can I have one question at a time?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yes.
From the preliminary assessment of the damage, what may be lead cause of the collapse?
The lead cause, that one I cannot answer now because the engineers are the ones now to tell us whatever may be because with the weakness of the building that caused that, but we are yet to establish that. Then I will have to keep the report.
Sir, just a question. There are other buildings that are occupied around where this building collapsed. Are you thinking that you might evacuate the others because now you're suspecting the other buildings have also been knocked?
We have advised the neighborhood at least to evacuate the buildings so that now we can finish with the work and see whether the other building that is affected is safe for the neighborhood. Yes. We have taken those precautions and we are very proactive to make sure that we save more lives than maybe be reactive to rescue. Yes.
How soon should Kenyans expect an update?
That one, it will depend with the work, the capacity of the work. Yes.
Who is to blame for this?
Not yet established. Yeah.
Excuse me, yes. We expected that we have a big crane here just to be removing those slabs, which is not happening, so that we can at least save those lives down there.
The machinery we have, they're enough to do whatever is happening. And you see already we have taken a step ahead. Thank you.
Sir,
let me ask, you saying this building is shaking. Are you bringing it down? And second to that, is the owner of this same building that has collapsed the same as the one that is shaking?
They are different owners. They are different owners. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, thank you. More update later on. God bless you.
Na iyo ni miario ya imwe kwa imwe kuma mwena wa South Sea one thutha wa gorofa iria irakagwo ya nyumba ya gorofa 16 iria irakoragwo igiakwo mwena ucio ukorwo ikibomoka na mwandikiti wa mohoro ikwa Bosi ni ambite kambe mwena ucio na ni njento ko tukinyitanira nake nigetha riu atucorere mbica ngima yo ria mihango yo honokani rathie na mbere na hii kuri kana andu magitete mio yao kana makagurara tuko tukinyitana nake ihinda ritari kuraya nigetha atutaririe na njira jadanduku ona makiria tugitigana icio ni ati rire mweri wa Ramadhan okuhiriirie etikia dini ya Githiramu makihariria kuhinga atongoria account ya Wajia nemoretie thirikari gutangatha ng'aragu togwati wa bururi atongoria marauga wagi wa mai na irio ni ukinyete handu gatwika ogwati kuri muingi na miene no riboti yo ni ukorwo ukimiamukira twambe tutengere o ringi kuria mwena wa South Sea nigetha tuthie na mbere na ndumiriri ira iragithie na mbere na kurekereria.
And for the agencies, the government agencies involved in approvals and all that, I really think they put a blind eye on this, as the guys who are around here say this building has been going on for the last 1 year and it's been going too fast. And I really think after this incident, we should, as stakeholders, as residents, be involved in the approvals and the public participation that happens. Because as residents, we do not know who has approvals, who doesn't have. We just see buildings coming up, which is a big concern as well. And I think we should be more involved. Thirdly, I really hope after this will be the last incident that happens in South Sea. As it is in the public domain that South Sea has been having a lot of developments happening. Some are all right in good state. But the ones that are being built and the ones that are coming up, as the developers.
Naam, sasa mtazamaji
na no mihango ire iragithie na mbere kuria mwena wa South Sea o mwaria thutha wonge akiuga hena bata thirikari makiria cia county na makiria thirikari nene gukorwo ni magathika mitaratara mirumu ya gutigirira nyumba iria irakwo ni ikinyanirie ikiro. Rere mweri wa Ramadhan okuhiriirie etikia dini ya Githiramu makihariria kuhinga atongoria county ya Wajia ni moretie thirikari gutangatha ng'aragu togwati wa bururi atongoria marauga wagi wa mai na irio ni ukinyete handu ugatwika ogwati kuri muingi wa miene eno na makirima andu mari ugwati-ini wa kuhofanirio ni ng'aragu riu marenda thirikari na honge ingi gutacukia makinya ma na ihenya niguo guteithia aikari aya.
Nataka serikali ya county ifanye juhudi zaidi. The National Disaster Management Team, the national government wafanye juhudi zaidi. Hapa kuna shida mingi sana. Kuna shida ya maji, kuna shida ya chakula. Watu ni wanyama wameenda huko, iko shida mingi sana. Tunataka kusimiza serikali ifanye juhudi zaidi, ilete chakula kwa wananchi, saidia wananchi inshallah mpaka tupate mvua tena.
Na tugitigana icio ni ati thirikari ni yuritio yongerere kigina kuri mathukuru niguo kuhuthia murigo hari aciari muno makiria hindi ino ciana irakorwo igicoka mathukuru-ini. Ritana riri rikitio ni MCA wa wadi ya Kongowea county ni ya Mombatha niwe Samuel Mwaura hindi ya kuheana mafuku na indo cia mathomo kuri aciari oro hamwe na arutwo aria matari na uhoti kuma mwena ucio. Oho Mwaura arathie na mbere na kuga aciari ni mabatie guthomithio iguru rigie mutaratara wa mathomo wa CBC. Akiuga aciari aingi matire marataukwo ni mutaratara uyu. Hindi ya mubango uyu aciari ni monanitie gikeno kiao makiuga ni mahuthirwo ni murigo wa garama ya gukorwo magitwara ciana ciao mathukuru-ini.
Ametupunguzia gharama kidogo, kutupatia sanduku, blanketi, kitabu, geometrical set, vitu ambavyo vinavyohitajika kule. Hasa kwa wale wazazi ambao pengine ni single parent ama wazazi ambao kwa wote lakini hawana ule uwezo, at least kidogo ametupunguzia ile gharama ya maisha.
Zitanisaidia kumanage na kupunguzia mzazi wangu gharama cause pale nyumbani I live with only my dad and in order to perform his duty ni lazima gharamikie.
Tutagharamia zile zingine lakini kwa zenye tumepata pia ni nafuu kwetu.
Aciari aria meguteithika na exercise ino aria maraingira secondary ni aciari ta 150 nginya 200 nao aria a primary aria meguteithika na exercise ino ni makiria ma aciari 1000. Kuri thirikari no ni bahoe muno makiria magerie kuongerera capitation nigetha ciana citu iria nyingi aciari ao matari no hoti wa kuriha school fees matigatuike akuremererwo ni guthomithia ciana ciao. Ningi muno makiria githomo giki kigeni kia CBC ni kuri aciari aingi muno makiria matari marahota ku understand na kuelewa ona maundu macio ma ku graduate kuma secondary na guthie kuma primary junior secondary guthie senior secondary na gucagura pathways. Thirikari ni rafatara muno makiria gwika uhamasisaji kana kufundithia aciari na kumamenyithia na ona ciana cikũrane na imenye pathway maana yake ni kuga atia na ningi makurane ati githomo giki kumateithia atia thiini wa muturire wa baadaye.
Na riu ni tukorwo tukinyitanira na mwandiki wa mohoro Ikua Wamboci uria ngwirire ukwambite hema ciake kuria mwena wa South Sea one thutha wa nyumba ya gorofa 16 gukorwo ikigwa na mihango ya gukorwo andu makihonokio no iragethie na mbere oro hamwe hi na gukorwo makieheria mahiga maria makigwire nyumba yo na gugetha na meri makiria hiyo na kana andu aria marekuirwo mari kou thini kana ni makorirwo makigwirwo kou nyumba-ini yo ya mwena wa South Sea. Atongoria matiganite ni makoretwo magikinya mwena ucio na ona aria maratabania mihango yo ni makorwo makiaria hau gabere na makorwo na magitariria hena bata thirikari cia county oro hamwe na thirikari nene makiria honge-ini nene iria ikoragwo kana iria ikoragwo cihokeirwo wira wa gukorwo ikihetukia manyumba gukorwo ikigathika mitaratara mirumu na makiria nigetha gutigirira ikiro cia nyumba iria irakwo guku bururi-ini na makiria matauni-ini ni ikinyanirie ikiro nigetha gutigirira maundu ma nyumba gukorwo ikigwa andu makorwo ni muoyo ona mamilioni ma mbeca makora undu ucio ni wakorwo ukininwo. Na riu gwa ici tunyitanire na Ikua Wamboci kwa eko ni uranyamukira hihi mihango yohonokania ikinyete ha gukinyanagiria na thaici. Ikua mwaroni wako
hane gatho gitanga wa Wambui ndirakwamukira na njira njega na igwete kuma guku itura ria South Sea guku ni muciĩ-ini wa Nairobi kuria ngorofa ino iri thutha wakwa ikorirwo ikimomoka thaa 10 cia rucini na kuringana na uria ukirugamirire mihango ino yothe ya uhonokania no gugitwo Bishop Sifuna kuma ruhonge rwa borithi muciĩ wa Nairobi kana headquarter ya Nairobi ni akorwo akiuga andu aria maratanya ni andu ana magikorwo makomeirwo na ni agikorwo akiuga ni hari mundu moko gikirutwo na akorwo agitwarwo thibitari nigetha akorwo akirigitwo na mihango ndagika ino toguo akorwo kiuria ni rathie na mbere honge itiganite cia thirikari kuma ruhonge rwa Biraru gukire na ruhonge rwa Mutharaba Mutune kwina maafitha a borithi kwina maafitha kuma waki wa nyumba nio tukiuga National Construction Authority na honge itiganite iria ciragethie na mbere niguo gukigeria kuona kana me kuhota gukihonokia andu aya ana aria maratuika gukwamite na Gitonga ungijitikiria no njaranirie na omwe wa aria mauma itura-ini riri akorwo agitutariria kiria kiragithie na mbere kana uria gukorirwo gukihanika. Pengine tu unaweza karibia hapa ukiangalia kamera utatuambia jina lako na nini kimeendelea na hasa nini kimesumbua na kusababisha haya maafa.
Kwa majina naitwa Rashid Hassan, ni mkaji wa South Sea. Kwa around 4 am in the morning ndio this building came down, na vile tumesikia reports za vile watu wametuambia there are 2 people or 3 people in the rubbles. Na the way we were seeing this, the building was going in a very fast rate. Na as tulikuwa nauliza what are the approvals, where are the agencies, those guys still told us they're still under investigation. But ile kitu inaendelea hapa South Sea mara mingi ni buildings are just coming up without any public participations, without any residents. Tunapata tu nyumba, gari imeingia, inachimbwa, hatujui approvals zimetoka wapi, hatujui kama kuna engineer ameapprove. We don't know. As residents, I think we should be more involved in the happenings of this building coming up. As by law, change of use ikifanyika, all the neighbors that are surrounding that area, kama mtu anataka, kama mtu anakata, their voices are to be voiced on that public participation. But there's no public participation that happens in South Sea. Unaona? And if it happens, tunasikia tu kwa magazeti imewekwa na ilitolewa. So I think this should be as a lesson to both the national government and the county government. This is is becoming a high-rise area. If we still let this go, unaelewa, na iendelee mtendo ile inaendelea hapa, we will lose more lives.
Kidole cha lawama hasa chaelekezwa nani?
Kwa county government. Because hao ndo wanapeana approvals, hao ndo wanapeana approvals za excavation. Kuna ofisi ya MCA hapa. If they really involve the MCA's office, I think things will be much easier. But MCA's office, tumeshajaribu kuongea na pale, they are even on the dark themselves. Hata hawa, as the county government, they are not being involved because the MCA is the representative of the people. Unaelewa? If these guys were really involved with the county government, were involving the MCA's office, I think a lot of issues will be. But hata hawa wako in the dark. Sisi as residents, we're on the dark. Unaelewa? So I think the main issue here ni county government to pull up their socks. These things have not haijaanza leo. South Sea kupiga kelele juu ya whatever high rise is happening haijaanza leo. I think as the association have written countless letters to City Hall. But I think zinaishia tu kwa ofisi ya mtu. But I hope this will be a lesson, and going forward, verification should happen on all buildings that are coming up. Sawa.
Nĩ ngatho Gitonga toguo wakorwo ũkĩigua nĩ aikari a itura rĩrĩ na arĩa marakĩorota kĩara makiuga nyũmba ici cikoretwo cigĩakwo na ti hĩndĩ ciambĩrĩria kuona nyũmba ĩno nĩ ya ngoroba 16 kĩũria gĩkiũranio kũrĩa ona andũ aya matanahota kwaranĩria na MCA wa itura rĩrĩ makiuga oho aikari a itura rĩrĩ matikoretwo makĩĩtwo nĩgetha marĩrĩrie rĩrĩa nyũmba ici iragũrwo na rĩrĩa cirakwo wakĩrika nĩ ũndũ ũkĩrĩ thĩinĩ wa gatiba ya Kenya ikiugĩte ũhoro wa kĩndũ gĩtagwo public participation nĩ marakiuga ndikoretwo ikihutithio kana ikimenyithio andũ a gũkũ Gitonga nĩ tũgũthiĩ na mbere na kũhũra kambĩ gũkũ tukirũmagĩrĩra kĩrĩa gĩgũthiĩ na mbere na hihi angĩkorwo nĩ kũrĩ mĩĩrĩ gũkorwo ikĩoneka na kana hihi andũ makĩrĩ o muoyo nĩ tũgũkorwo tukĩmenyithia mwĩroreri wa ceceni ya Inooro TV harĩa hothe aratwamũkĩra rĩ angĩgũcokeria mwaro kũ studio Gitonga niĩ njĩtagwo Ikua wa Boshi.
Atho cia mwanya muno makire ikwa Bosi nĩ gũtũtwĩkĩra maitho mwena ũcio na nĩma otoguo mwario ũcio go akorwo akiuga mahinda-inĩ maya nyũmba irakunũka ta makuno nĩ wega mĩtaratara igathikwo ona makĩria twambe tũikĩrio hanini wathiĩ kũraya nĩ tũracokereria.
Sherehe ni rathirire riu turauga Happy New Year. Niĩ ngetwo Jonato Gĩkonyore.
Na niĩ ngetwo Seth the Fiestaga.
Rĩu nĩ twaroga mwaka ũngĩ mwerũ tũrakwendithĩria mwaka mwerũ wĩna umithio. Nĩ njũĩ wĩ hau ũguo raici nĩ woete kabuku gaku na karamu gaku wandĩke New Year resolutions.
Na kũrĩa guothe ũgĩthiaga kũruta wĩra kũrĩa wamwĩra Happy New Year.
Petals Technical Training Institute ne college ithobithagia hands-on skill gutigirira ne watuika expert hari kothi cia moko ta cosmetology tukihuthira mitindo ya kiriu ne turagutua interior designer wega tu in the fashion design industry na oroho gutigirira mundu wothe ne digital now atagathi guthi in the media industry in our state of the art studio na certified nursing assistant kana caregiver. This is your college of choice. Toshere Kiambu Petals Plaza. Intake Noirathi Nabere. Horathimo 0707 490 390.
Would you like to work in Dubai or Saudi? Ajira is connecting you with top employers in these and many more countries. We have openings for jobs as taxi drivers, bike riders, cleaners, security guards, construction, and many more. We offer full recruitment support from application, placement, and guidance on visa processing and onboarding. To apply, visit our website www.m-ajira.com. Complete your profile and our systems will automatically match you to the right jobs. Find us on TikTok at m-ajira.digital or Facebook at m-ajira or call 0709-488881 for more information. M-Ajira, your gateway to credible global opportunities.
Tired of late rides and shady charges? Itisha Wigo. Now Wigo, you get more than just a ride. Unapata on-time pickups, gari safi na fresh every time. Ride V-Smart, ride V-Safe, now Wigo. Download the app now, ama SMS Wigo to 20425. Wigo, your trusted ride.
Siku njema huonekana asubuhi.
Kabisa Anuari.
Amangana gao.
Setihin.
Chamige. We museo.
Kenya nzima tunasema jambo Kenya.
Wax. Tiki. Chaka. Twende sana my people.
Hapa ndo nyumbani kwa muziki wa Afrika Mashariki na malezi ya vipaji.
Sasa tuko tayari ku drive on.
Mibibi na mijize. Leteni porojo sasa.
Kwa habari za kuaminika kutoka kila pembe ya nchi.
Are you ready?
Leo kati ya Ingwe na Gor Serikali. Hapa ndio home.
Wawa. Radio Citizen. Radio number 1. Radio number 1.
Egatho ni guthii na mbere na gutwirorera ntwacokereria oringi kuria uria wari gavana wa Vihiga Moses Akaranga ni oretie andu ethi kwiyandikithia ta aikia kura rire githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 gikuhiriirie. Oho ni oretie atongoria kunyitanira na IEBC niguo gutigirira aikaria matura maicagi-ini ni magia kanyaga kwiyandikithia ta aikia a kura. Aretie ari kaunti-ini ya Vihiga tauni-ini ya Sabatia rire kurari na mathako ma mubira wa maguru nake murugamiri wa ikundi kia Bindi Foundation niwe Cisco Mbidi oretie mbeu njithi thengia wa andu gukuria taranda ya mubira tu metekire meyandikithagie nginyagia na mubango wa SHA.
Na mheshimiwa Mbindi, wacha mimi nikuelezee, kuandikisha kura sio hoja. Ukiwa na pesa utafuta mafuta kidogo, unaenda kwa IBC hapa, wacha watoke kwa ofisi, utembee nao kwa vijiji wakiregister kura. Otherwise wamama
sensitize vijana wetu kwanza kuregister SHA kwa wingi kama bima yao ya maisha. Pili, tuna sensitize mambo ya voter registration kwa sababu tuliona voter registration hapa kwetu ni kidogo sana.
Retana nireiketio kuri thirikari ria kuhe marwa na gwitikiria kamboni itiganite rutha rwa kwenja mahiga ma goro kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta makiuga undu uyu ni ukuhotithia hari kuongerera mieke ya mawira mwena uyu. Kuringana na muikariri giti wa mugunda wa muingi mwena uyu Matilda Warehagwa augite ona thutha wa ene migunda gwitikiria kamboni ici guthie na mbere na mihango eno, thirikari ndiri yetikiria kamboni ici kwambiriria mihango eno. Maya makiyumiria riri ritana rikitio kuri kamboni ici kurumirira makinya ma kiwatho mbere ya mambikite mihango eno.
Tulifanya mkutano SGM kama hii na akaja akajieleza na wanahisa wakamkubali na wakasema endelee. Lakini la kushangaza, huyu bwana alipoenda ku apply license hajawekwa kwa kadasta,
na ametuhakikishia kwamba endapo atapewa leseni kesho, basi kesho kutwa ataingia kufanya kazi ili aweze kufanya supplies kwa ile kiwanda ambacho kiko Manga. Na nataka kusema hivi ya kwamba sisi kama wanakamati na sisi kama wanahisa wa Kishushe Ranching Cooperative Society Limited hatuna
Nacio ndorere itiganite iria cikaraga kaunti-ini ya Baringo itafaniti igongona ria gukungwira unduire ari imwe ya njira ya gucaria thayo gatagati wa ndurire iria ikoretwo igiukanirira mahinda kwa mahinda. Ahariria a mambura maya maugite thengia wa kuhunjia thayo muoroto wao ni kumenyerera unduire uria uri kigeri-ini gia kuhuka. Mwangi wa Maina ari na uhoro uyu makiria.
Aikari ya kaunti ya Baringo kuma ndurire cia Ilchamus, Pokot, Tugen na Nubian macemanĩtie kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kabarnet hĩndĩ ya mambura ma gũkũngũĩra ũndũire arĩ njĩra ya kũgacĩrithia ũrũmwe wa ndũrĩrĩ iria cikaraga kaunti-inĩ ĩno. Mambura maya makuruhanĩtie macindano ma nyĩmbo, monanio ma indo cia tene iria ciahũthĩkaga hamwe na gĩthomo kũrĩ arĩa mekinyĩtie.
We have Pokot, we have Ilchamus, we have even Turkana who are here, so that we can at least we can have a moment together. We celebrate each other's culture. We see from in terms of way of life and also even livelihood, like for example the artifacts that have been showcased here and even the cuisines.
Ahaririria a mambura maya mugite muoroto ni gucaria thayo kuhetukira kurehe nduriri ciothe hamwe ona kugitira unduire uria urathie ukiriganagira kumana na kuhimbiria mitugo na miikarire kuma nja wa bururi.
And also this culture is bringing communities together, and it helps to people to live together, and maybe the issue of insecurity will not be something to be discussed anymore because they have come together and share together, interact together.
Aria mekinyetie mambura-ini maya ni magathiririe itemi ria nduriri ciothe hari kurehe thayo kaunti-ini ya Baringo kuria gukoretwo gukiyumiria ngwe mahinda kwa mahinda. Oho moigite mambura maya ni mamaririkanĩtie kuria moimite na makagĩa na mweke wa gucokia makinya na muciĩ.
Actually, this is a day that we will never forget. We will put it in records because we've come today and learn about our artifacts.
Mambura-ini maya ayuthi moritio kuhimbiria unduire wao na makiria gutambura itemi ria unduire hauri ukuria wa nduriri itiganite.
I've learned a lot. I didn't know even I'm a Carbon, but now I know that I'm a Carbon. Kuzunguka here around and being shown this one, mimi naona tu ni kama ni maajabu. Mimi naona ni maajabu.
Dumiriri nene mambura-ini maya ari kuhunjia thayo urumwe na ukuria wa hamwe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.